Duke fell asleep while looking out the window, waiting for his dad to come home.
Hello, baby! Oh! Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
There's normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
That power stance. What is this? What kind of house do we live in?
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Has already popped the button.
What are you doing? Questi gatti... bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo! Ah.
Doing the bow. Are you okay, Bo?